huge carcass, trying to rip it down to bones. Now to me, this looks like a disorganized feeding frenzy. Tina, what do you think?
But Chandra, what if I were to tell you that vultures are social species and they respect their place in the pecking order? So, when vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
So everyone, let's meet the very first vultures to the meal, our African white-backed vulture. Oh, look at how fast they go for that. He goes for the piece of food there, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the African white-backed vultures can be found in Africa, and they are pretty aggressive feeders, all right? About 200 to 300 of these birds are capable of stripping down a huge carcass as large as this one right over here, down to bones, clean within 20 to 30 minutes. And of course, we're looking forward to another white-backed vulture that's going to join us right over here. There you go. All right. Look at that monster, ladies and gentlemen. So as I mentioned earlier on, they are able to strip down a huge carcass as large as this one within 20 to 30 minutes, down to the bone, clean. Well, once vastly found across Africa, currently these birds are critically endangered in the wild. Not many left.
But Chandra,
Yep.
don't we have two more scavengers to showcase?
Of course we do. But before they make their way down, once again, a gentle reminder to everyone, please remain seated at all times, right? Looks like we're all set. Let's welcome our man of the storm. And one more from right back there. Everyone, meet our lovely family dogs. They can also be found in Africa, and they're known to coexist with vultures in the wild. When you take a closer look at them, you will notice they have this dagger-like beak and also a stern old man face. That's why they're also known as the old man dog.
Although they are not vultures, they coexist and join them in the big feast. Speaking of vultures, did you know that 11 species of vultures in Africa help to clean up to 70% of the continent's canyons? We will all be in a lot of trouble without vultures. Isn't that right, Chandra?
Very true indeed. Throughout the world, we are losing these amazing birds and environment due to various reasons like deforestation, electrocution, deliberate poison, and even superstitious beliefs. Mother Nature, our conservation arm, is actually supporting the conservation efforts